Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror on the road coming in from Prince of Wales Drive and going to Vanodi. This canal that you see here, this canal overflows every monsoon. Behind me, you can see that mud is being dumped, mud is being used to build this retaining wall so that water does not overflow. Every monsoon, water overflows from this canal and floods the nearby areas. Pune Times Mirror had also carried a report earlier which said that cars which were parked were swept away, as happens every monsoon. So the area is being desilted and cleaned, and as you can see over here that there's a retaining wall 6-meter one which is being built so that the water flows smoothly during monsoons. And we were just talking to the contractor who's responsible for this project, and we were told about this this project work which is going on so that to allow smooth flow of water and ensure that flooding doesn't take place. The culvert on both sides, the one on my right and the one in the distance, the height will, sir, iska height कितना होगा करीबन 6 meters ना इसका, और इसका culvert का उतना height रहेगा 6 meters. So both the retaining wall and the culvert, और वहाँ जो culvert है, हाँ अच्छा not sure, but this का, हाँ. So I was just speaking to the contractor and he was telling wall and the culvert height will be raised to allow a smooth flow of water to ensure that flooding does not take place. This has been a very pertinent issue over here for in every monsoon. The water comes to a certain point towards that culvert in the distance that you can see. It overflows from there, floods people's homes, sweeps away cars, bikes, and all sorts of stuff in the house also gets completely flooded. So this is that takes place every single monsoon, and the PMC is now at work to ensure that there is an absolute smooth flow of water. The water levels don't rise, due to which the flooding takes place. So good work being done to ensure of the residents of this area. So this is the Bhairova Nala, as the contractor just told us. So this issue about will hopefully, you can see a truck going from here. This is one of the trucks which are coming continuously and dumping this debris here, which will be used to make sure the retaining wall is kept in place and flooding is complete and the residents are safe. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror with camera person Swapnil at the Bhairova Nala on the road coming in from Prince of Wales Drive, and this area is Vanodi.